Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with two DIYs for you, Christmas theme, and one is really simple, really short, quick and easy, but I think it's really nice. I hope you know by now my daughter and I are dumpster divers, so we find a lot of things in the dumpsters. And this is one thing we found. It's the top of some, I don't know, vase or something, and the original color was this kind of black, so I spray painted it white, and with sandpaper I distressed it, and now some of the black can be seen. We also found this lid. We don't know what was the canister or jar, whatever it was supposed to cover. It was there in the dumpster. This candle, along with more of them, these two, we also found them in the dumpster. These are from Dollar Tree, and they all work. I think this is from Kirkland's. So I'm going to do something with this. Let me tell you, I am participating in the monthly Heidi Sonboul DIY challenge. This month is for Christmas. I will leave the link to her channel in the description box. Please visit. She has 3 channels. The 3 of them are awesome. Home decor, cleaning, cooking, DIYs, and you can find, as I always say, a lot of inspiration. She is really, really amazing. And I also will leave the link to the playlist with the videos participating in this challenge, and to our dumpster diving channel, Dumpster Chicks, that we share with my daughter, where you can see us in action and have a lot of fun seeing us collecting things from the dumpsters and then hauling them and showing you what we found. Okay, the first thing, I want to cover this side with this ribbon to give it a farmhouse look, because my house is decorated for farmhouse style. So I think there is a problem again. Oh, okay, the stick was not completely inside. So I'm going to place some dots here and there of hot glue, just to keep the ribbon in place. I bought this ribbon from China. I bought it on eBay, and very good experience. It arrived fast, no problem, because you know sometimes buying from China can be a headache, but lately I've been having very good experiences. They are working better. Of course, because of the pandemic, things are taking longer to arrive, but knowing that in advance is no problem. You can plan it, and it's a great way to avoid going out and risking getting the virus. Okay, we're almost done with this. Let's cut the excess. Come on, baby. Like so. I'm going to add a bow that I already made to this part of the top. I love buffalo check. I don't know how could I live so many years without buffalo check in my life. I said the same in my last video, but it's true. I can't help adding buffalo check to almost all my DIYs. I love it, especially the black and white. And Now I'm going to add these leaves. I found this, we found this in the dumpster. It's a large garland, and I'm using some leaves that I need. Let me protect my finger. I always mention this. I bought them from China also, but Dollar Tree, when I bought them, Dollar Tree didn't carry them, but now they do, and they are in pink, which is beautiful. And really, if you work with the glue gun, they are absolutely amazing. No more burns. I still have here the mark of the last time I forgot to use them, and I made a movement with the glue gun, and I burned my hand, I burned my fingers, this finger. It was a real mess. It hurt a lot. Let me add the other one here. As I said the other day, the glue sticks are also from the dumpster. Well, except this large one, this long one, because this came with the glue gun, which is new. I've had it for a month so far, because the other one was really not working properly, and I asked this one as a present for my birthday, which was in October, and it came with some of these sticks. But these ones, look, this whole bag is from Michael's, and I've already used a lot of them that came in another bag, so I'm not buying glue sticks for a while. I'm going to add these berries, that these are also from the dumpster. It's also a large garland, long garland. I always make a mistake. I say long when it's large and large when it's long. I'm learning English. I hope I'm improving. I try. At least I try my best. I love English. I think it's such a beautiful language. And now I'm going to add this little pine cone. It's a plastic one, and it comes in this garland, the green one. So I'm going to add it here. You can see. Please stay there. Please, please, please. Yes. I want this white berry to go a little bit up. Okay. And now I'm going to add this other pine cone here on the bow, just to match the rest of the core. And I think you have already guessed what I'm doing with this in the end. Okay, now I'm going to place the candle in the center. I'm going to, no, because if I want to turn it off, it's going to be on a shelf, so it's not going to be moved a lot, so I don't need to glue it, because otherwise I won't be able to turn it off at night when I go to bed. So, well, of course it's moving. Anyway, you know, at the end of my videos I always show you how they look from the front, but you have the idea. And I saved one lid and the top of something. I think it was kind of a jar or something like that, a base. and made a nice, quick and easy piece of decor for Christmas. Now let's get into the second DIY. Okay, I have this charger that I'm not using anymore, and I have this star from Dollar Tree. The charger is also from Dollar Tree, but I bought it like 5 years ago when they started carrying them, because many years ago they didn't have it. So I'm going to glue all these points of the star to the charger, and then okay, like so. Then I'm going to use things from the dumpster. We found this huge cup and it was broken. I added this washi tape in gold to match all the decor, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to glue this here. It doesn't need a lot of glue, because again these are things that are not going to be moved. Once I place it, I'm going to use it as the centerpiece, and it's going to stay there the whole season. It has some marks here, some decoration, so I'm going to use this side as a front. And now, this is not from the dumpster, this is from Dollar Tree. I removed the light because I don't want the light, and I'm going to glue it to this part. I'm going to slide it, and hopefully the glue is going to keep it in place. Like so. And I'm going to use the top of this huge cup as a dome. My God, all these pieces from the hot glue, how much I hate them. I say it in all my videos, but I really do hate them. And I have to remove them before placing the dome. Okay, so I'm going to add this here. I'm going to just glue it a little bit in those parts that are touching the star. And go around here, and one more here. And now I have to hurry because the glue is going to dry. So let me place it here, and hopefully it will stay where I want it to stay. Okay. This is unbelievable, unbelievable. Okay. So now you can see how is this turning. Oh my God. I have to wait a little bit more for the glue to dry. But you can see what I'm going to. I have gold ornaments, but they are in bins. I don't decorate for Christmas till after Thanksgiving. So I'm using what I have at hand, but most of the ornaments are in beans at this moment. But I had these silver ones, so I painted one to place it on the top, and I'm going to glue it. So it will look much better, of course. Okay, so we are almost finished. I want to cover this, mainly this hole that the star has, for you to be able to hang it if you're going to hang it. I put hot glue there and it's not the right place. Yes, this is firm. So I'm going to add these berries on each corner, each point. I don't know, point? That's the right word for this part of the star? I think, because you say 5-point stars, 6-point stars. So I think that's the right word. So I'm going to glue one of them on each part. 2. Again, in the meantime, let me remind you to please visit Heidi's channel, the playlist, and our dumpster diving channel if you want. It will make us very happy. And please consider subscribing if you haven't done it already. It will help my channel grow, and it will help me to be able to go on making these pieces of decor and crafts that I really love. I love crafting. And also ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And here we are, almost finishing this second DIY. That's it. Of course, I need to clean it, eliminate all this stuff. But now you can see how it looks. I hope you really like these creations, and I think they are great for these seasons. I love I love Halloween. You know already if you watch my videos, but I love Christmas also, the whole decor, the tree, and the spirit of Christmas, and I enjoy doing things for Christmas. I want to thank Heidi for hosting this challenge every month, and I want to thank all of you very, very much for watching my video and supporting my channel. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.